Hey Ginger, this is Adrian Moore, Loganville Ford. We were texting back and forth about your interest in a brand new F-150 for your husband. We got some great deals down here right now to start the year off. Give me a call at 770-554-9994. 770-554-9994. And again, Ginger, this is Adrian Moore, Loganville Ford. Check out the nice selection of F-150s we have in stock. Give me a call. I look forward to hearing from you, Ginger. You have a great day.